Do you like cilantro, lime, and chicken? Well, that's great. You're in the right spot because this is Cilantro Lime Chicken. Let's go over the ingredients. First, you need some chicken thighs, a couple of limes, some garlic, paprika, pepper, cumin, red pepper chili flakes, salt, cilantro, and some olive oil. If that's too fast, I'll leave the ingredients listed right here. So let's get into it. First, you really want to smash that garlic, just like you want to smash that like button. Dice it up real nice and put it on the side. Chop up your cilantro and roll your lime. I learned this when I used to work at Chipotle. It really gets all the juices going, so look at that juicy lime. Thank you, Chipotle. Now, into our mixing bowl, we're going to add the olive oil, the lime juice, red chili pepper flakes, the paprika, cumin, pepper, salt, really get that salt in, and the garlic. You want all that garlic in because garlic tastes pretty good, I would say. And some cilantro, because it's not cilantro lime chicken without cilantro. Give that a nice good whisk. And next we're going to add the chicken in. Cilantro lime chicken. That makes a lot of sense. Now, massage the marinade all over the chicken. Make sure it's really all nice and cozy together. And then you're going to want to put that in the fridge for 15 minutes uncovered if you don't have time, or 2 hours uncovered if you do have time. Next, we're going to make a pan at medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and after our marination has happened, the chicken goes into the pot. Now, I'm only doing half the batch right now because I don't want to crowd the pan, because that would make the chicken steam. And we want to get a nice good browning on our chicken. That makes a lot of good flavor. See all that brown bits on the bottom there? That's good stuff. Now, you want to flip your chicken. And the nice thing about chicken thighs is you can overcook them without worrying about them going dry. There's a lot of fat in them. But just to be safe, you do want to check the temperature. You want it to be around 165, and that'll be 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Again, highly recommend cooking to temperature. Very important for food safety. For the sides, I elected to use white rice because I love white rice, and black beans. The black beans I cooked with garlic, salt, and a little bit of onion powder. They were very delicious. On goes our chicken, and then you just simply enjoy. There it is. Looks yummy. And guess what? It is yummy. I was very happy with how this came out. Very pleased. The chicken was juicy. It was flavorful. It had that acidity from the lime, the freshness from the cilantro, and it went really well with the sides that I paired with it. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, say something. Please like, please subscribe. And as always, I'll see you again next week. Thank you.